When you search for the best stand mixer under $100, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. First up is the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer. Priced at just $63.14, this compact mixer caught my eye with its vibrant color options and lightweight design. If you want an affordable mixer that won't take up much space, this is worth a serious look. This mixer is designed with a 32QT stainless steel bowl, making it perfect for small batches, ideal for couples or small families. The 6-speed settings allow you to mix everything from thick bread dough to delicate meringues. The anti-splash lid is a thoughtful addition, keeping your kitchen cleaner while you bake. Plus, it has 4 anti-slip suckers at the bottom, ensuring it stays put while you mix. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 9,400 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its performance. Now, some people complained about its smaller capacity compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or don't bake in large quantities, this might not be a deal breaker at all. It's lightweight and easy to store, which makes it great for those with limited kitchen space. This is perfect for you if you're an occasional baker or need a reliable mixer for simple recipes. Skip this one if you're planning on baking large batches regularly. For just over $60, it offers solid value for money. Now, if the Kitchen in the Box's smaller capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more power and space. Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Next up is the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. Priced at $62.95, this mixer offers a unique 2-in-1 feature that lets you switch between stand and hand mixer modes. If you want versatility without breaking the bank, you'll want to hear about this one. The bowl also moves side to side while mixing, ensuring that every ingredient gets perfectly blended. With 6-speed options and a quick burst feature for an extra boost, you can tackle everything from cookie dough to whipped cream seamlessly. It has a commendable rating of 4.2 stars from over 16,100 reviews, showing it's a popular choice. Some users mentioned that the bowl's movement can be a little distracting. Here's the thing though, this feature actually ensures thorough mixing, which can save you time and effort. This is great for you if you want a versatile mixer that can handle various tasks. Skip this if you only need something for light mixing, it might be overkill. At this price, it's a smart investment for aspiring bakers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want maximum mixing power. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach 4-quart Electric Stand Mixer. Now let's talk about the Hamilton Beach 4-quart Electric Stand Mixer, priced at $125.68. I know it's slightly above our budget goal, but hear me out on why it's worth mentioning, especially if you can catch it on sale. The planetary mixing action means that every ingredient is fully incorporated, ensuring no clumps are left behind. With 7 speeds at your disposal, you can easily go from mixing to whipping in no time. It's also rated 4.4 stars from 4,400 reviews, so it has a solid reputation. However, some users noted that it's a bit heavier than other models. While that might be a downside for some, I found that the weight actually lends stability, keeping it steady during operation. This is perfect for you if you regularly tackle bigger baking projects. Skip this if you need something ultralight and portable, as it might be cumbersome for you. It's a great option for serious bakers looking for performance. If the weight of the Hamilton Beach mixer concerns you, the next one is compact yet powerful. Product number 4, Asequel 7.5 QT Electric Dough Mixer. Next, we have the Asequel 7.5 QT Electric Dough Mixer, priced at $86.39. This mixer really stands out with its large capacity and vibrant design. If you want to bake for a crowd, this is definitely worth considering. With a 7.5-quart bowl and a powerful 660-watt motor, this mixer can handle even the thickest doughs with ease. It features 10 speed options, which means you can adjust the power depending on what you're mixing, from heavy bread dough to light cake batters. The tilt-head design makes it easy to access the bowl, and the anti-slip design ensures it won't budge while you work. With a 4.4-star rating from 918 reviews, it has a solid reputation for performance. However, some users found that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing, most mixers make some noise, and if you're using it for a few batches, the performance justifies the sound. This is perfect for you if you bake in larger quantities or want a reliable mixer for different types of recipes. Skip this if you're only making small batches. It might be overkill. For its price, it's a strong contender for value. Now, if the Esekwel's noise level is a concern for you, this next compact option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, Bella 3.5 QT Hand and Stand Mixer. Lastly, let me introduce you to the Bella 3.5 QT Hand and Stand Mixer, priced at $49.99. This is a budget-friendly option that gives you great flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable mixer without spending a fortune, this one's worth a look. The 3.5 quart bowl is perfect for everyday needs, and the built-in viewing window lets you monitor your mixing progress without stopping. The suction feet ensure that it stays stable while you work, and it has a solid 4.5-star rating from 795 reviews, showing that users appreciate its functionality. Some users have noted that it may not be as powerful for heavy doughs compared to bigger mixers. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly making light batters or doughs, this might be exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who bakes occasionally. Skip this if you regularly work with dense doughs, as it might fall short. At under $50, it offers impressive value for the features it provides. So there you have it, 5 solid stand mixers under $100, each with their own strengths. From the compact kitchen in the box to the powerful Esekwel, there's something for every type of baker. Whichever one you choose, you're getting a great deal for your money. Happy baking!